If you're in the market for a new laptop, you'll probably notice a couple of things. 1, there's something for everyone in several different form factors. And 2, the great selection can be overwhelming as feature lists grow in both length and complexity. I'm Marcus Yam, Technology Evangelist at Intel, and I'm here to explain Intel Evo. With so many options on store shelves, it's easy for even tech-savvy shoppers to become overwhelmed. We created Intel Evo to cut through the noise, conducting extensive user research to establish criteria for what makes a premium laptop experience, and then collaborating closely with partners to make certified devices a reality. First introduced as Project Athena in 2019, Evo has evolved over time to keep pace with new innovations. The 3rd edition specification for 13th gen Intel Core processors adopts the latest technologies, including our performance hybrid architecture, intelligent collaboration features, and support for cutting-edge standards like Wi-Fi 6E Gig Plus and Thunderbolt 4. It can also accommodate powerful processors with more cores, along with Intel Arc discrete graphics to deliver even greater performance for creators on the go. When you spot an Intel Evo badge out in the wild, you can be assured that the system meets key experience indicators, or KEIs, that research has shown to be important to laptop users. We spent thousands of hours studying how people use their devices in real life in order to understand pain points and opportunities to improve the experience. Performance is important when you need to get things done, especially on the move. So our KEI targets ensure consistent responsiveness on battery across 25 commonly performed tasks. Our testing methodology is designed to reflect today's agile work environment with a mix of local and cloud-based tasks, all in the most commonly used applications, such as Chrome, YouTube, G Suite, or Office 365, of course, Google Meet or Zoom. It also includes a range of activities like screen sharing in a video call, opening a presentation, publishing a PDF, and just loading web pages in a browser. You can stream, browse, and create throughout the day with a guaranteed 9 or more hours of battery life on laptops with a full HD display. We validated battery life under real-world conditions, running typical workflows with a laptop connected to a Wi-Fi network and with the screen brightness turned up to 250 nits with an LCD or 200 nits with an OLED. Fast charging is deemed essential as well, with 30 minutes of charging giving you another 4 hours of runtime. Evo laptops wake up from sleep in the blink of an eye, under a second, so they're instantly ready at your fingertips. They can also be protected by biometric login, recognizing your fingerprint, face, or Bluetooth-enabled smartphone to breeze past the login screen without entering a password. Part of what makes Instant Wake so, instant is the inclusion of the 13th gen Intel Core i5, i7, and i9 processors, otherwise known as Raptor Lake. These chips utilize our new performance hybrid architecture, which features performance cores tuned for speed and efficient cores optimized for background tasks and multi-threaded workloads. Intel Thread Director takes real-time input from the processor and it works with the OS scheduler to intelligently distribute tasks across the P cores and E cores. Thread Director is optimized for Windows 11, but it's not your only choice of operating system. Intel Evo devices are also available with Chrome OS. To reflect the needs of the modern workplace, the 3rd edition specification of Evo introduces new intelligent collaboration features. AI-assisted background noise suppression helps filter out unwanted sounds from your video calls, whether you're working from home, or back inside a noisy office, or just catching up in a crowded coffee shop. AI-based background blur sets you apart from your surroundings, and select models add face framing and lighting correction that further enhance your appearance. You may have experienced some of these features already, but Intel Evo features have this technology baked inside, so it's more efficient. The specification targets a webcam capable of recording 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, which most designs meet or exceed, further helping to cement Evo laptops as the leading choice for anyone who wants to look professional in a video chat, even if you're in a spare bedroom wearing sweatpants. Hardware and software combine on the networking front as well. The latest Intel Evo laptops support low latency and reliable wireless by Intel Wi-Fi 6E Gig Plus, while Intel Connectivity Performance Suite software prioritizes network traffic and seamlessly switches to the fastest access point to further optimize your connection. To extend your range beyond Wi-Fi networks, laptop makers can also include Intel Gigabit LTE or 5G in their Evo designs. Universal connectivity over USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4 lets Evo devices plug into docking stations linked to multiple displays and peripherals, all with the convenience of just a single cable. Validation also extends to select Thunderbolt and Bluetooth accessories in the Engineered for Evo program, which establishes KEIs for docks, monitors, and headsets. Intel Evo requirements even extend to laptop displays. We set minimum quality metrics for brightness, contrast, color space, and bit depth to ensure a premium viewing experience. Verified displays must measure at least 12 inches and offer a resolution of 1080p or greater. The current generation also includes models with higher resolutions and with larger screens that extend beyond 16 inches. Don't expect larger displays to bulk up the chassis. Evo devices are still super slim, with most in the 15 to 19mm range and some even thinner. That applies to both traditional laptop form factors and more versatile 2-in-1 designs. To bridge the gap with mobile, Intel Unison allows Evo laptops to seamlessly connect to phones running Android or iOS. You can juggle calls, texts, and notifications without leaving your PC. Unison also simplifies transferring files between devices, making it easy to take a photo and edit on your laptop. Although Intel Evo is designed to simplify the process of finding a premium laptop, we don't want to limit your choices or our partners' ability to innovate. The 3rd edition specification enables a broader range of designs with support for more powerful processors and new form factors. Previously, Evo only included laptops using lower power processors up to the Intel Core U series. But now, we've opened up the specification to allow for more potent chips in the P series and H series. The H series provides more cores and performance to handle demanding tasks like intensive content creation, while the P series strikes a balance between performance, battery life, and responsiveness. These processors can also be paired with Intel Arc discrete graphics to further accelerate content creation. Despite packing additional horsepower, laptops that include these chips must meet the same requirements as other Intel Evo systems, including minimum battery life and maximum chassis thickness. Another exciting innovation is a new breed of form factor that uses foldable display technology. We developed a special set of OLED specifications for those systems. They're tested and verified to the same criteria as other Intel Evo laptops, but with some allowances on weight and size so we can better adapt to these new designs while still giving device makers the flexibility to innovate and bring you the best possible experience. By now, you may be seeing a pattern. The Intel Evo specification continues to include new technologies that make for premium laptops. As mobile computing evolves and the selection of devices expands, we continue working closely with partners to set standards for responsiveness, battery life, and other key elements of the user experience. Intel Evo branding takes the friction out of finding devices that meet your needs and provides peace of mind to know that you're getting a system that has been validated by stringent testing. Thanks for watching. I'm Marcus Yam for Intel.